Good evening, cuties. How are you all? This is Priya Mahesh with you for Twilight Time. Today we are going to go for more pleasant evening, because first we started narrating scripting the story. I explained to you what is a story, what is a team story, right? Together everyone achieves more. See, if you have multiple colors, it looks beautiful, right? So then now we are going to narrate a story. See, you all just participate in elocution competition, storytelling competition, so many competitions at school, right? So now we are going to do, see this, what is this? What is this? Auntie read the story for you, right? So if your teacher is telling, please get up, Rahim, read the story. Okay, please get up, Vinayak, read the story. So please get up, Sam, read the story. What will you do? You take the book and you said short story team. That I gave the previous video. Please follow that. So now I am going to narrate the story. What is story narration? Story narration is explaining a story through emotions, actions, the voice tone, okay, the pitch low and high, and abbreviation, the pronunciation, okay, so many things. So we are going to learn. That's why I posted a competition less than 5 minutes. That is equal to 5+ minutes. You all are going to tell a story for Priya, and you all are going to participate in the competition and you are going to win. Okay. So this is not a fast track assignment or a fast track aspiration. This I love to take it when I travel to India next year, and I'm going to anchor myself and all my aspirations there. So please wish me good luck and join me in my journey and support me. So now we are going to go for a narration of the story team. So what is reading? It is whatever is there in the book, in the story book, you guys are reading. So how will you tell a story? You all are good storytellers, right? So you're coming and telling, oh, today was not good. Mama just picked all the devices from us and she hid somewhere and we felt very sad. So that is called narration. Fine. So now I am going to narrate to you the short story team. Again I repeat, team stands for together everyone achieves more. So now start how to narrate a story. You are going to learn in this particular video how to narrate a story. Reading is different from narrating, right? Adding expressions to the content with voice tone, textures, with smile, sadness, everything is a dramatic way of expressing the content is called narrating a story. So let's go into the story. Coral apartment was full of noise from young children. Apartment chief Sultan inquired watchman, why too much sound, Rahim? Sir, fight is going on. That's why so much sound, sir. Chief said, oh God, again today. Please follow the script. Take a printout and follow the script. Okay? For you all, I'm going to start narrating the story from the beginning. Please print a copy of the story. The description box contains the link to the Facebook page Twilight Time, where the link leads to the script of the story. Please print the story, keep it in your hands, and also print the picture skew images and form an idea of everything. Then start learning how to narrate your own story. Take your own time. First I gave you 3 weeks. Let me extend till August 10th. 30th the school is reopening in Abu Dhabi, UAE, right? So till that time I have given you 1 month plus 1.5 month time. Please slowly learn what is storytelling and come back to me with nice kuti ideas. Okay? Now we move to the short story team. Again I repeat, before you just listen to my video on this, take a printout of the story team and line by line learn what is narration. It is storytelling. It is not story writing or reading. Reading is different from narration, right? So now I am going to narrate you the story from the start. Short story team. Okay? Coral apartment was full of noise from young children. Apartment chief Sultan inquired the watchman, why too much sound, Rahim? Sir, fight is going on. So much sound, sir. Oh God, again today? Yes, sir. The behaviors among their parents and grandparents is descending on them, sir. They both realized some children have no balls or bats to play. Some have lots to play. If they share, they can enjoy more. Chief murmured something in Rahim's ears. Rahim announced loud, "Come, children, tomorrow evening, all of you assemble for a surprise in the apartment auditorium." The next day being Friday, the kids entered the auditorium with full energy and cheer. Okay? And then they were overwhelmed to see so many party arrangements, games, big posters on walls. Wow! They saw all their mothers sitting together and happily talking with each other. Just this. Chief greeted all the children. Hi. He, all young and beautiful kids. How are you? They shouted, good. Can you all see? These dishes at the dining table are made from all your mothers. Each one dish. Yes, uncle, Padma exclaimed. I remember she made jamuns and reserved in the fridge. Then Narayanan and Padmavati added, we too saw our mom doing pav bhaji in the morning. Chief said, yes, if all these dishes are cooked by your mom alone, how much time will it take? They said, oh, too much. See, each of your mother preparing a dish and bring all of them together to serve you all a delicious dinner means what? What? You all think? It's a teamwork. You're all going to enjoy the same. Yes, they exclaimed. Rahim said, children, look at the poster on the wall. Is Tendulkar and Dhoni playing together or alone? They replied, uncle, they all play as a team. Immediately Sultan asked, then why did you all fight yesterday? Why can't you all share all the playthings, ideas and time together? They nodded, yes, and assured, we will do it for sure. Sultan replied, now look at the projector. What is written there? Okay. Teamwork means what? Abdul and Sam jointly read, together, T for together, E for everyone, A for achieves, M for more. So what is a team? Together, everyone achieves more, right? If we are as a team, we can understand each other, share and care, workload is reduced, playing together gives more joy. Will you all be as a team? Will you all promise Priya aunty that you all won't fight? Will you all promise Priya that you all won't fight? Together you will be as a team. But one more thing is also there. Okay, if somebody is doing dramatic, if somebody is found to have something hidden and you can't go away with them, please don't act or pretend. Straight away tell, I'm not into this. As I told you, all the 12 players, Pakistan team coming to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, everybody, they are as a team, they are players, right? After the workload is gone, we are all separate. So don't form enmity, okay? Don't form too much. If the vibrations are okay, please go, and if you are wrong, ask sorry. If they are wrong, tell them openly. No, you did like this, no? That's why I am angry. See in this story, okay? How they all shared everything and was happy. This is called story narration, okay? So what we started? We started with a contest. We announced the contest of storytelling. Then Priya posted you a caption or a title theme. She said she wanted a picture skew. She explained the story through picture skew images. Then she scripted the story. The first video, she read the story for you. In this video, she narrated the story for you. That is called storytelling, cuties. So wish you all good luck. till August 30th. You all have time. Kindly take your own time, script your own story, and please bless Auntie with more and more of ideas. I love to see Kuti children narrating the story, right? Just try, be free. Whatever you tell is only correct. Okay? Thank you so much. Bag a prize from me. Thanks and have a pleasant day. Thank you so much. And pleasant evening. Good night all.